We're here at Churchill Downs in Louisville, Kentucky, about a week after the Kentucky Derby, which was okay. Crowds were really down. We liked that. So we started at the museum and we were learning about the proper hats to be worn at the Derby. As you can see, Mark nailed it again. Nice hat.
What are you looking at?
This lady.
Cindy Lauper's derby dress. Okay. Great hat. Dolce and Gabbana dress.
Here's my hat.
So this scene shows the trainers actually walking the horses around for everybody to gawk at, and the people that are behind the fence are actually the bettors. So they're looking at the horse and they're seeing what kind of shape it's in and deciding how much money they want to wager. So here's the horses being delivered to this portable gadget on the left here. This gadget is repositioned a number of times on different areas of the track that reflects the finish line always staying in one spot, but the races being different lengths. So that's how they're able to adjust it. These horses that are delivering the race horses are to keep them calm and to keep them separated, and you know, the person that's on the horse is all full of padding so they can't get hurt. You'll see this guy kind of tapping the horse on the butt. They load all the problematic horses first. The ones that have those blankets on them, they're known kickers, so they put that on there so nobody gets hurt. And you almost don't want to be the last horse loaded, because as they load all of the good horses, things start happening very quickly, and the last horse that gets loaded, within 1 to 2 seconds, they're pulling the pin and all these horses are running out of there. So it's almost like the person that is coming in last is somewhat at a disadvantage. We're going to show them take off here in a second, and then we'll have another vantage point to take a look at. Now you've got to ask yourself if you have the proper job when an ambulance has to follow you around at work. OMG.
This station held together by an electromagnet.
So this is where we're at the finish line. We actually started way across, right about there, where they have the horses starting out.
After intensely studying my racing guide, I decided to go with Looking for a Kiss, horse number 2, because the trainer, Michael Tomlinson, has won 100% of the races so far. His jockey, Corey J. Lanier, is a 61% winner. Lifetime earnings under $48,000 to date. The only chancy thing is this horse has been on layoff and hasn't raced for a year. But Corey isn't known to ride a dog. 4-to-1 odds. The Chan Man put 20 bucks on it to try to get some money for diesel fuel so we can get back. Otherwise, we're going to have to work in the barns in the back, shoveling. So wish us luck.
How have you done so far today? pick my horses.
Yeah.
Taping allowed?
I hope so. Your hair looks a lot better than mine. I can tell you that.
There you go. 46, 46.
All right.
Nice.
Thank you.
There you go.